Klaviyo is a powerful email and SMS marketing platform built for e-commerce, especially Shopify, but works with others. It excels at personalized, data-driven campaigns using real-time customer behavior. Quick setup and core usage, sign up and connect store. Go to klaviyo.com, create free account, up to 250 contacts free. In dashboard, integrations, connect your platform. Shopify is one click, others use API keys. Klaviyo syncs customers, orders, products, and activity automatically. Understand key data sources, profiles. Every customer gets a rich profile, purchase history, viewed products, location, etc. Segments, create dynamic groups, for example, purchased in last 30 days, abandoned cart, VIP, spend more than 500. Build your first flows, automations. Go to flows, create flow, choose template, welcome series, new subscribers, abandoned cart, most profitable, post purchase, thank you or cross-sell browse abandonment, set triggers, for example, placed order, started checkout, add emails or SMS, use drag and drop editor, create campaigns, create campaign, email or SMS, select list or segment, design with product blocks, pulls live prices and images from store, schedule or send immediately, analyze and optimize. Dashboard, analytics, check open rates, click rates, revenue attributed to each flow or campaign. Use A/B testing, subject lines, send times, and suppression lists.